Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I am going to develop a customer relationship management system, CRM system using PHP and MySQL. Guys, first we will see some demo of our system that we have actually already developed here. So guys, here we have a two login here, sales manager and sales people. So first we will see the sales manager. The sales manager here we have a sales manager login. The sales manager will be login after login can handle the functionality like manage the tasks here. Like here, the sales manager can add new task like task, give task description, date, and assign to the contact. To here is the list of contact and sales representative can assign to sales representative and status can change the status. Also, the can edit and delete the task. Also manage the contact here, like add the new contact here in which contact name, last name, industry budget, and also assign to the add to the relate to the sales representative here. So and also can view the task details of the contacts here, like can view the task detail, can edit the contact, delete the contact. Also uh, can see the list of his sales people, means the sales managers, the sales people under the sales manager. Here the list of the sales people CL can add the new sales people like sales can contact first, email, password, and also view the contact details here, like the contact details here, like uh, so now also there is a login of sales people login. So here sales people login, the sales people can uh, have their task list, can add their task, and can view the leads, can create a new lead here. Also can create opportunity, view the notes here, and customer win here can manage the customer win. So these are the details here, like sales people and sales manager. So now let's see the database here, like so here we have a three tables. First one is CRM user. In bit we have a ID, primary, auto increment, name, email, password, roles. Roles means manager or sales, and status. We have a CRM underscore task in which we are storing the task details like ID, primary, auto increment, create date, task type, task description, task due date, task status, task update, and contact and sales representative details here related to the task. And then the next table is your CRM underscore contact, in which we are storing the contact details like ID, primary, auto increment, contact title, contact first, middle, last name, initial, contact date, title, company, industry, address, city, state, country, zip on. So all these are the details of the, like here, email, status, website, sales representative, project type. All the details of the contacts are stored here. So these are the three tables: CRMs underscore user, CRM underscore task, and CRM underscore contact. These are three tables required for our system. So now we'll move to the code level here. Actually, we are accessing the system using the login. So here we have index.php in which we have the login page. So first we will see the index.php file in which we have a login form. Actually, the structure we can also discuss the structure of our project here. Like the structure of our project here class directory in which we have all the class in which we have implement the methods for all sections. We have a config in which we making a connection to the database here. We have a get connection method in which making a connection to the database, and we have CSS file in which CSS directory in which we have storing the CSS files, and we have INC directory in which we have a common files, and JS directory in which we have all the JS file that we needed to make a Ajax request and functionality to handle using the JavaScript. So this is the structure of a project, and these are the main PHP files. So now we will see the index.php. Here we are including the database.php and making the object and make connection to the database. Then we are including the user.php object, creating object and checking the calling the method logged in. If user not logged in, then user logged in, then we are redirect to the task.php. Then we have a login form here. This is the our login form. This is a login form in which we have a input type text for email and password, input type password, and we have a login button. So this is the radio button, and then this is the login button here. So this is the form of a login. When form submitted, we are checking the login form details and calling the method login. This is the from user class. So here we have a user class, and actually we have a here we are calling the user class. So login class in which user class in which we have method login. Here we are handling the functionality for login, and if successful login, we are storing the details to the session here, user ID, role name, and then we are finally moved to the task.php. So after successful login, we are redirected to the task.php. So we will see the actually when we log in, like we we log in using sales manager. Moving to the task.php. This is a listing of the tasks. So now we'll see the task.php here. This is the task.php file in which we are again creating the database connection, user object, checking if user not logged in, then we are redirecting to the index.php means login.php. Then we have a table, task listing. This is a simple table in which we will load the data using the jQuery data tables. And so we will also see the JS file here. Actually, this is the task.js file in which we are initializing the data table. Actually, we are using the jQuery data tables for rendering the data. So here we are initializing the data jQuery data table and making Ajax to the task underscore action. So we will see the task underscore action file in which we are checking the action list task here and calling the method list task. So here we will also see the task.php file class in which here we have a method implement list task. Here we have a select query left join with left join here on task table contact and user table and getting the details of task and returning adjacent data, and this is rendered through here as calling here and rendered in the jQuery data table. So here this is listed. Also we have a form like task model in which we are handling for adding new records, new task records, and editing the records. And this functionality is we are handling through here. Like here we are opening the model task model for a new records. Also here we are opening for the update records to load the existing task detail, and then handling the task form submission to save the record. Also we are handling the task delete functionality. So this is the task functionality here. Also we have a contact.php file. So we will see the contact details here. So here we have a class contact. Actually here we have a class contact here, and we have a class contact, and we have a contact.php file here. Actually we have a contact.php, and in which we are listing the contact details here, and also we have a contact action. Actually if we are checking the actions here and uh, calling the message related to these. Also we have a contact.js file in which we are handling the functionality for loading the records. So here actually we have a contact.php file in which we have a table to load the data, and here we are initializing the data table on contact listing table here, and loading the data by making Ajax request to contact underscore action with action list contact here. So here we have a list contact calling the list contact method. The list contact method is here and getting the records of contacts and returning a data JSON data. We have also a form for adding new tasks and updating tasks. So here we are handling this, adding the functionality for opening the new add contact model and updating the contact detail, existing contact detail we are handling here, and then handling the form submission here, and also deleting the contact. Also we are displaying the tag details here, view tag details. So we are handling here, we are handling the functionality from here, and actually we have a view tag details model here. You can see here, this is the contact model, and we are displaying the details of the context. So this is the task detail model here. So this way we are handling the functionality. Also we have a actions. We are here checking for add contact, get contact. So insert the record, get contact, update, and delete and get target. So all these methods are implemented here, like inserting new contact, getting contact details, updating contact, inserting, so deleting. So all these methods are implemented for here for handling the contact details. Same way we have another my salespeople here. We are listing the salespeople.php. Here we have a file. So here we have a file salespeople, like this is the salespeople file in which we are listing the our salespeople. So here we will also uh, sales. Actually, we have a table sales rep listing. So here we have a sales rep listing. So here we have also sales rep.js, in which we are making Ajax request to the manager.action. Actually, we have a manager underscore action file here, like we have a manager.action in which we are checking for the actions, like list sales representative, get contact details, insert sales representative, get sales representative, update sales representative, and delete sales representative. So all these methods are here called. So also we have implement for the adding new sales representative, updating the sales representative, handling the form submission here, and also viewing details and delete. All these functionalities are handled from here. Also when we log through the sales people login here, these are sales people login here, and we have a functionality for handling the task. Actually we have already discussed that. Also we have a leads, actually leads.php. So we'll check the lead.php here, in which we are handling the functionality to list leads here. You can see here the tables like lead listing. We have also JS file for listing and the lead using the jQuery data table to action leads underscore action. So here we are also check the lead action, in which we are checking the actions and calling the method like list leads, insert, get lead, update, delete, and get lead details. And this is coming from the uh, class leads. We have a class lead in which we have a method implemented, list leads and insert leads, get lead, update, delete, get lead details. So all these means are handled here for implementing the functionality for leads. Also, we have a section opportunity. So we will see the file opportunity.php here. We have a opportunity.php in which we are listing the opportunity details here. So here this is the opportunity.php. We have a opportunity.js file in which we are initializing the jQuery data tables and making a JS equal to opportunity action, making a JS equal to opportunity action. So here we have a opportunity action in which we are checking the actions and calling the related methods like list opportunity, insert, update, delete. So all these methods are actually called from the class opportunity. So here we have opportunity class in which we have already implemented list opportunity and insert, get lead, update, delete, get opportunity. All these are implemented here in the opportunity class. Now the last section is customer bin. Here is a customer bin. So here we will also see this the customer bin file here. Actually, this is the customer bin file .php in which we are listing the customer bin details. So here we have implemented this. to list the details here, and customer bin details here, and like add new customer details, uh, edit, delete, and view nodes. So all these functionalities are implemented here in our project. So guys, you have seen it's a very interesting project. You can enhance your at your end according to your needs. Guys, I will share the complete source code uh, link in the video details to download complete project to view the files, database, and enhance to your requirements. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. So don't forget to like and share this tutorial and our subscribe our channel. Thank you.